Once upon a time, in a house filled with laughter and toys, there was a special friend named Excavaroo. Now, Excavaroo was no ordinary toy. He had a magical secret. Whenever parents were away, day or night, Excavaroo came to life. One bright morning, when the sun painted the sky with colours, Excavaroo woke up with a cheerful ding-dong. He had a grand plan for today, and it involved his best toy buddy, the transformer train. Excavaroo started the day by rounding up his toy friends, each in a different colour. Red, blue, yellow, green and purple. Come join the fun, he called out. The toys gathered around, ready for a new adventure. Excavaroo's wheels spun with excitement as he announced, "Today, we're setting up a magical track for our friend, the transformer train." With colourful rails in hand, Excavaroo began arranging them on the floor. Red track first, then blue, yellow and green. Let's count as we go, Excavaroo said, encouraging the toys to join in. 1, 2, 3, 4. The rainbow track is ready for more. As the track unfolded, the transformer train rolled in with a joyful whistle. But here comes the catchy twist. As the train chugged along the rainbow track, something magical happened. With a swirl of colours and a sprinkle of glitter, the train transformed into a magical play explorer. "Welcome aboard the Imagination Express," the transformer train announced, now with wings and wheels that could go anywhere. The toys were amazed as they embarked on an adventure to various play areas. First stop, the Counting Castle. Excavaroo and his friends hopped off the train to explore the castle filled with numbered towers. 1 tower, 2 towers, 3 towers, let's count them all, Excavaroo exclaimed, pointing to each colourful tower. Next, the Imagination Express travelled to the colourful meadow where flowers in every hue bloomed. Red flowers, blue flowers, yellow and green. What a colourful scene, cheered the toys, delighted by the vibrant meadow. But wait, there's a twist in the tale. As the train journeyed on, it reached the surprise ocean, where friendly sea creatures awaited. 1 happy fish, 2 giggling dolphins, 3 smiling turtles. Let's count the ocean friends, Excavaroo encouraged. The adventure continued through the shape forest, where trees formed triangles, circles, and squares. Triangular tree, circular tree, square tree, shapes everywhere, can you see? Excavaroo asked, making learning fun for his toy pals. Finally, as the sun began to set, the Imagination Express returned to the rainbow track. With a magical twirl, the transformer train changed back to its original form. What an adventure, my friends! Until next time, when parents are away, let's keep the magic in our play, the transformer train declared. And so, the toys gathered, tired but happy, ready to freeze in their places as the parents returned. As the door opened, Excavaroo gave a little wink, knowing that their magical adventure would continue whenever children's imaginations soared. And that, my little friends, is the story of Excavaroo, the transformer train, and their colourful, number-filled adventure that sparked joy in every corner of the toy world. The end until the next magical day of play. In a cosy playroom filled with laughter and toys, there was a magical friend named Excavaroo, the toy excavator. When parents were away, Excavaroo and his toy buddies came to life, creating adventures that only children could see and hear. One sunny morning, Excavaroo hatched a clever plan. "Good morning, toy pals. Today, let's gather all the toys and sneakily collect plastic to build a fantastic playground for us." With a twirl of his wheels, Excavaroo rallied. "Red car, Blue Teddy, Yellow Duck, and Green Dinosaur for their exciting mission. They tiptoed around the house, picking up plastic bottles, lids, and containers scattered about. 1 plastic bottle, 2 plastic lids, 3 plastic containers. Let's count as we collect, Excavaroo exclaimed, making the cleanup an adventurous game. But oh my, a catchy twist approached. Just as they gathered a pile of plastic treasures, a mischievous toy wind-up mouse named Wizzy came zooming by, knocking the plastic bits everywhere. Uh-oh! Our playground pieces are rolling away, Excavaroo gasped, his bucket drooping. Not to worry. The toy buddies didn't give up. No problem, friends. We'll chase those plastics and bring them back, Excavaroo declared, revving up his wheels. The toys dashed after the runaway plastics, giggling and rolling on the chase. As they gathered the runaway plastic, they stumbled upon a magical cardboard box hidden behind the sofa. Look, a magic box. Let's use it to make our playground even more amazing, Excavaroo suggested, turning the mishap into a creative surprise. Excavaroo and his toy buddies unfolded the cardboard box, creating tunnels and slides, turning it into a marvelous play structure. Red, blue, yellow, and green, our playground is a rainbow dream, Excavaroo cheered, making the most of the unexpected adventure. With the cardboard playground ready, the toy buddies played hide-and-seek, slid down the colourful slides, and danced with joy. 1 happy dance, 2 giggles, 3 spins. Our playground is a treasure of fun, Excavaroo exclaimed, counting the joyful moments. As the day went on, the toy buddies realised that even when plans went awry, they could turn it around and create something wonderful. When parents returned, they found the toys frozen in playful poses, the cardboard playground their colourful secret, and so Excavaroo, Red Car, Blue Teddy, Yellow Duck, and Green Dinosaur nestled themselves away, ready for another adventure when parents were away. The end until the next time, when Excavaroo's wheels would spin with excitement for a new playful day.